Fit check. We're kind of matching.
Let's go.
It's cold.
Slow down, hold on tight now. It's okay to meet me at the front line. Cold feet, winter drives me wild. I can't fly down on the Friday. I was meant to meet you at your mom's house, so I apologize. Sometimes I run out of things to say, and it turns out you've got one too. The dinner's gone cold, I don't care. We talk till the morning. I've got no sleep 'cause you drive me wild. 'Cause I know one day we get out of happy house and wake you up for brunch when you're feeling worn out, and we just gotta keep on hanging on for now. So slow down.
What?
Crazy.
I know, they're wearing freaking skirts right now. So crazy. It's literally freezing. And we're seeing some people in like skirts, which I don't really get it. But I'm sure the pictures look amazing. It stopped snowing, but it's like snowing again. I love it. I haven't honestly seen the snow in a really long time. I feel like last time I came here it was like melty snow.
Yeah.
Because the temperature wasn't like cold enough. So this is great. Ooh, donuts. We're just kind of walking around because both of us are too full to eat anything. We finished lunch in like 15 minutes. The guy was like, you only have the place for 20 minutes until 2 p.m. Is that okay with you guys? And I felt really embarrassed because we finished in 20 minutes. Oh, the bread looks so good. Icicles.
What is it?
Oh shit. That's cool.
There's not that many people.
This hot cocoa has like, do you think it's ice cream or cream? It's like cold.
Oh, ice cream?
But it's really nice. He got the hand drip. We have our, I don't know what kamasol is in English, but you see that thing? Our bread is steaming in there. It's perfect for this snowy weather. Let's see how it tastes though. Ooh. So our honest review on this is that it's a bit too custardy. It's kind of heavy, like you can see. It's very, it's not, it looks fluffy, but it's not. It's actually more like soft and moist and custardy. So I'm not a huge fan of it, but that is our review. So 이렇게는